Hey, it's Medicosis Perfectionalis, the Rolls Royce of medical education. This is a playlist called Lab, and today we'll talk about bladder tumor antigens, BTA. These are cancer markers such as BTA and NMP22. You can find these markers in the urine of a patient who is suffering from cancer of the bladder, cancer of the ureter, or cancer of the renal pelvis. If I have cancer, I will have a rapid cell proliferation. The cell cycle is working like crazy, dishing out tons of proteins. Some of them will be shed into the urine. If you can see them in the urine in huge numbers, this can be an indicator that this patient has cancer. In most cases, when BTA and NMP22 are not found in the urine, if you do cystoscopy, you will not find cancer. Conversely, if you find tons of BTA and NMP22 in the urine, if you do cystoscopy, most of the time you'll see cancer. So what are the normal results in normal people? Normally you should have none or very few of these BTA and NMP22 markers, less than 14 and less than 10 respectively. BTA stands for bladder tumor antigen. NMP22 stands for nuclear matrix protein number 22. So in cancer, BTA and NMP22 levels in the urine is usually high. So what are the indications of BTA and NMP22? In other words, why would you order them? If you're trying to detect the recurrence of superficial bladder cancer after transurethral resection, because after you remove the cancer through transurethral route, the recurrence of the superficial bladder cancer is high. And instead of doing cystoscopy every time, a cheaper way of seeing if there's cancer or not is to order BTA and NMP22. If they are high, of course, you will need cystoscopy, but if they are negative, you can spare yourself the trouble, and of course you will follow up with the patient. And like any other disease, you will need detailed history and physical exam. If you see high levels of BTA or NMP22 in the urine, this means one of three things. It could be cancer of the renal pelvis, cancer of the ureter, and more importantly, cancer of the urinary bladder. Today is the last day to get a 40% discount towards anything on my website. Just use promo code 40OFF. In one word, only 2 students left. Thank you for supporting my channel. I strongly recommend my antibiotics course. And a video about vitamin D is coming very soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and click on the join button. You can support me here or here. Go to my website to download my courses. Use discount code 40OFF. Thank you for watching. As always, be safe, stay happy, study hard. This is Medicosis Perfectionalis, where medicine makes perfect sense.